dental equipment needs to be very, very accurate. So when you're thinking about doing temporary crown, dentures, night guards, you gotta have a very, very accurate 3D printer. Dencore is a dental CAD/CAM solution center. Our goal is to bridge the gap between leading digital dentistry manufacturers such as EnvisionTEC with the small to mid-sized dental laboratories and dental clinics throughout the US. I think 3D printing technology works well with the dental CAD/CAM solution because in 3D printing, you don't have any limitation. Currently, we have a Vita for the variety material choice, and we also had a Vector HD for the most accurate model printing with the full capacity.
For models, they are simply ditched and hollowed so that they can be printed accurately. The dentist either takes a traditional impression of the patient's current teeth or takes an intraoral scan of it. These impressions are either scanned or imported into the design software, where trained technicians take into account the doctor's prescriptions and dental anatomy to design the product. After this is done, the designs are transferred to our manufacturing department, where they are loaded onto the machines and printed. We use the E-Model Light resin for our models.
I think EnvisionTEC model printing is the best in current market compared to any other 3D printer company out there. The reason being is the density of the solid model. It's much stronger and very, very smooth finish.
We have used a few other leading brand 3D printers in the past, but none of them have had the material delivery and applicability that EnvisionTEC had with their FDA-approved materials.
With the Vita, you can actually print anything you imagine, really.
We can print models, copings and metal framework partials, night guards, implant surgical guides, temporary crowns, wax crowns, and even dentures.
EnvisionTEC recently released the eDenture-based material. It's the first FDA approval denture-based 3D printing material. It can work with the eDent 400 to make a full digital denture prosthesis.
We recently developed a digital smile design solution that can transfer 2D smile design data into a 3D mockup that will fit into the patient's current existing teeth.
So once we try it in the patient's mouth, the patient emotionally feel the difference before we even start the procedure.
Digital dentistry is a rapidly evolving field, and as such, the ideal 3D printing company must have an outstanding R&D team that will never stop pursuing the next innovation.
As a president of Dencore, I believe EnvisionTEC printers produce the best quality for dental applications.